Hi everybody, it's Borat from Supertech Electronics, and today we're going to show you how to remove a Mitsubishi Lancer sound system. And the tools you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver and a plastic spudger. Alrighty, let's get started. Okay, first thing we're going to do is lift the glove box down. Now that will expose one Phillips head screw there. We're going to remove that one, and that will give us access to pull this part down, and that will expose one more there. So we're going to remove that one too. Okay, now we're going to remove this whole piece. It's just on clips, and we're going to put that somewhere nice and safe. If you lay it like that, it can roll over and scratch the plastic, so we're going to put it aside somewhere safe where it can't damage that surround. Okay, that will expose 1, 2, 3 screws, so we're going to remove those. If you can, use a magnetized screwdriver, that will stop you losing the screws. This whole part does come out with clips. And now we can remove this surround that goes around the stereo, air vents included. So start at the bottom, like that. And we can just pop that aside for the time being and get it out of the way. Now that's going to expose 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. We're going to go ahead and remove those. Okay, so we have removed all 4 screws that hold it to the car, and the whole thing will slide out now. Now to remove it, you'll need to pull the aerial out. These guys here, you just press the middle pin and pull it towards the front of the car. Same with these 2 guys at the back. Okay, and that radio is ready to send off to Supertech Electronics for repair.